Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This is part 2 of the Cookie Clicker series. So, in this tutorial, we're going to be adding upgrades and also just a few things that we'll just do now. So, I've just added instead of just exposition and negative 15 to 15, and the same with y, but it's 15 to 20, so just a bit more random. And also, I've added turn for these, so turn 15 degrees right for the ones that's going right, I guess, that's going this way, and then the other way. So then it looks good because it does. There are actually only a reason I added that is because I added this pretty terrible cookie texture, and then without the turn you can see it's actually quite terrible. It looks pretty bad without the turn. Well, it doesn't look too bad, but if you add a turn it just makes it look so much better. And obviously you can do like turn pick random like 10 to 20 or something like that, but I'm not going to do that. But yeah, let's get started with the upgrades. So make a new sprite. Call this upgrades. Nice. So let's just make this, maybe make that thicker. Okay. So this is gonna be add one cookie per click. Okay, so this is gonna add one cookie per click. Oh, pre-click, oops. Per click. And then is add one cookie per second. Okay, so the code, once we press click, you're gonna create a clone of myself. There we go. Also, you need two more variables: cookies per click and cookies per second. So yeah, and just set these both to 1. No, set the cookies per second to 0 and cookies per click to 1. Okay. Then we'll do switch to costume 1, and then for the clone it's gonna be costume 2. So the clone is gonna be a cookies per second. So forever, if touching mouse pointer, and then can actually just drag this here, and then just put that in there. But instead of cookies, you're gonna have so this is the cookies per click, boom, and then you don't need to create a clone of myself. So, and just just set size to 100. I can actually just duplicate this, and instead of cookies per click, cookies per second. So now, what we want to do is actually add a price for this. So that's what I'm going to do now. Maybe move this up a bit. So this can be like 10 cookies. Yeah. Boom. And this can be like 20 cookies. I don't know. Okay, let's say 15 cookies. Right. So then you're gonna have get another if else. If go to operators, go bigger than. If cookies is bigger than, so this one costs 10 for the cookies per click. So you're gonna, if it's bigger than 9, so 10 or above basically, then you're gonna do that. Oops, there we go. And then also set ghost effect to 0. Otherwise, if you can't buy it, basically set it to like 20, I guess, and just duplicate this. Put that in here, and instead of 9, it's 14 because it costs 15, and yeah. So then, also what you need to do is change. Instead of change cookies by 1, change it by cookies per click. Also, just add, when you have clicked forever, wait 1 second, change cookies by cookies per second. Also, why do I keep saying also? When you buy it, you need to actually take away the cookies. Otherwise, yeah, there's, yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. Change cookies by -10 because this costs 10. And for this one, it's going to be -15 because it costs 15 cookies. So now it should work. Oh yeah, also, just need to set a position. So you can just do it here. And then make this lower, like, -84, let's say. No, 74. Let's see how it looks. Oh, never mind. -94. Okay, that's a bit better. So actually the ghost effect we might need to yeah, that looks better. So you got 0 cookies, so you can't buy any of these. But let's say let's just get 10 cookies. We can buy this. Oh, that's a bit big. That's a bit big. Let's change that to like 120. Because, oh, no. On the upgrades, sorry. 120. Because that is a bit big. Yeah, I think that's fine. Then, cookies per click. You can see we get 2 cookies per click. And then we can also get that. You can see we get 1 cookie every second. And then we can just hide these because we don't really need that. And you can see if I just buy another one, we get 2 cookies every second. And then I can just keep on getting these. Boom, cookies per second. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you next time.